This building is the former Greenwood Commission of Public Works water treatment plant. The plant was constructed in 1934. The large tanks behind the building were used to treat the water. An on-site lab was used to test the water for bacteria and pH levels. Up to 3 million gallons of water could be treated here each day. The operations were reduced at the Grace Street location approximately 30 years ago when a new plant was opened on Lake Greenwood. The facility was officially decommissioned in 1994. In 2011, the property was signed over to the City of Greenwood Parks and Trails Foundation. There are plans to demolish the plant at a cost of $2 million. The space would be used to expand Grace Street Park. The building's future remains uncertain as the current councilman opposes the demolition of any old buildings in Greenwood. Special thanks to the Index Journal for the information used in this video, as well as Urbex Music for the soundtrack. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see how this video was made, check out the link in the description.